talking about lab of the future and factory of the future. And what this really means is full automation in the laboratory and manufacturing environments. SciY is a group of startups with expertise in the digitalization of scientific data. And it is founded really as a result of the recognition that there is a need for a vendor-agnostic software provider that supports digitalization and automation in these industries. So our different startups have different expertise, and the synergy really comes from the combination of their different offerings into specific solutions which cover much more of the customer's need in their research and development efforts. I think we can kind of summarize them talking about lab of the future and factory of the future. And what this really means is full automation in the laboratory and manufacturing environments. And we are basically working to fully digitalize and capture as much data as possible so that we can support artificial intelligence, which is the key technology that will, in combination with robotics, support these trends.